Well, many homeowners have a dilemma. They have conservatories that are too hot in the summer and are too cold in the winter. So here we have a structure that we've built with a tiled roof, and on here we've used lots of glass within the structure so that we've got lots of light ingressing into the main part of the house. We've got good insulation. This is going to build us a structure that's going to insulate for 12 months of the year, and it's created a nice environment for the homeowners. So with this pavilion design, we've got a nice vaulted ceiling, so we've got lots of height, which has really added to the volume of the whole structure. On top of that, we've got a nice white ceiling, it's reflecting light, and we've got nice bright spotlights as well. This is a structure that we can use all year round, daytime or evening. Lots of light coming through, and it's helping to light the room in the house at the back as well.
Oh, every day